Magic Shaving Powder Red Extra Strength 5 ounces. For the most up-to-date information, recommend you visit the manufacturer website for the best product details, including ingredients, hazards, directions and warnings. This product offering is for 3 retail package. Shaving Tools ST8 Stainless Steel Shaving Cup. Perfect for what I was looking for. One of the pictures showed a lid, but it did not come with one. In fairness, not all of the pictures showed this, so perhaps it was just wishful thinking on my part. I am using Vanderhagen soap and it fits perfectly. Buffalo Horned Exposed Blade and Normal Blade Straight Razor. My second love. I am heavy-handed and this straight razor was the answer. Going to order a second in yak bone. Buffalo Horned Exposed Blade and Normal Blade 2 Straight. Man. Hell yeah, it met my expectations, and then some. It is my favorite by far. I only wish it was longer because I have big hands and I find myself switching between my pinky and ring fingers. Other than that, A1. Great quality. Salute. Toiletries Bag Shaving Dopp Kit keeps your travel. The side section has 3 elastics. I keep my toothbrush, comb, and razor out here for easy access and keeps the items separate. The double zipper top works very easily, giving full access to the contents. It was exactly what I was looking for at a great price. McGreen Hanging Travel Toiletry Bag, Travel Bottle Set 4. I gave this travel bag to my friend for Christmas. She is going on a cruise this month and she loved it. Her favorite color is red and she is thrilled. She loves all the pockets and compartments, and this travel bag is of the highest quality. Although not too big, it fits lots of toiletries, brushes, and accessories. It's well organized. Shaving Tools STC12 Large Stainless Steel Shaving Bowl with. Very happy with this purchase. This should easily last me for 20 to 30 years. This was exactly what I was looking for. It is very sturdy stainless steel. It's not heavy like a frying pan, but it is solid. I set it on an electric cup warmer to keep my lather warm while shaving. I paid full price for this product and have recently become disconcerted with Amazon reviews that are no longer reliable because of so many sellers giving away products for free in an attempt to inflate their product ratings by asking the recipients to only post positive reviews. Men's Razors Pretty Queen Double Edge Shaving Razor with Non-Slip Long. I got this shaver as a gift for my husband, who normally uses those shavers where you keep the handles but have to constantly buy the disposable heads. I've always seen pictures of these types of razors in shaving commercials, so I figured I would give him a little gift. And wow! I really didn't expect it to go over as well as it did. I don't know a ton about razors, but I do know when the man is happy with his. As soon as I got it and gave it to him, he was a little reluctant to change his routine. But then I couldn't get it back from him even to do a review for it. He loves it. He says it gives him a much closer shave and that, while it's a little weird shaving with just the edge of a razor, he's starting to prefer it because of the results he's getting. And it's really easy to clean. You simply turn a knob in the handle and the shaver opens and you can take out the blade inside and give it a little rinse and you're done. My husband applies a little oil to make it go further, but it's a less than 30-second job and he sets it to dry to be ready for the next use. After his experience, I really recommend this shaver to anyone else in the market who may have the same experience as him. My husband is a very hard man to impress, and the fact that this has immediately become his new favorite razor says a lot to me, and I hope it does to you as well. Disclaimer: I received this product at a discount for my honest and unbiased feedback. I do not review anything I wouldn't trust to use on my own body or on my family. My analysis is based on actual use and with the interests of the customer being my primary concern. Thank you for taking the time to read my review. Razorba Goat Wide Disposable Double Razor with Aloe Moisture. Razorba GOAT. Razor is a double blade razor with aloe moisture strip for body shaving and back hair shaving. Compatible with all Razorba back hair shavers for the ultimate fast and comfortable back hair shave. Can also be used for general body shaving. The razor is extra wide with comb for fast and comfortable shaving on long and short hair.